Okay, Larry is going to feed the chickens. Here are chickens, or baby chickens, in the baby chicken coop. They're just doing their chicken thing. Get Larry. Where's Larry? Here's Larry and Philomena. Oh, Philomena. I don't think Larry needs your help. Come on. Larry's gonna go feed the chickens. Okay, Larry, go in there. Mommy will lift this bucket in for you. Go ahead, Larry. I just weeded some in our garden, and that's where all those weeds are from. And every day, in addition to their chicken food and of course their water, we give, you're fine, sweetie. We give our chickens weeds. Because there's nothing like the fresh greens. These are our about 2-month-old or so baby layers. And those big fat ones there are they're meat birds, which are going to go in the freezer soon. So Larry's dumping the bucket and then he's getting the rest out. Do you need help? Oh, he's stopping because there's a truck driving by and he leaves everybody who drives by the house. Good job, Larry. And you see we have an empty bucket. Stay in there, Meaty. That's his name, Meaty. Trying to get out. Come on, Larryboo, let's go in the house. Wants to get out all the rest of the dirt, I guess. There's his sister trying to help. Come on, it's empty. Look at that empty bucket. Come on. Philomena, come on. God bless you, Larry. Come on, little girl. Come on. Come on. Just point this out, how we're economical. That's a piece of a entertainment center or something. The chickens were getting out the bottom of the door, so Kevin attached that, and it's, you know, free wood. So, Philomena, wave goodbye to the chickens. Wave bye to the chickens. Larry's waving bye to the chickens. Philomena, wave goodbye to the chickens. We're gonna go in the house. All right, not today, but thank you, everybody, for watching Larry feed the chickens, and you can watch them chickens eat their yummy weeds. Okay. The reason I don't have these free ranging is because they're too little and the cats will eat them. But as soon as they get to be bigger, they'll be free ranging. And Philomena looks like she's losing her patience. Okay, well, have a great day from Sunflower Acres.